Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello, Team Bella, and welcome to the channel. I'm Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with another Plan With Me in my Wonton in a Million insert. I'm so excited. Her new inserts for 2022 should be coming out very shortly. So I'm excited to place my order because I thoroughly have enjoyed this one. The paper's nice. It's the perfect size. And yeah. So before I jump in, 3 reminders. If you enjoy the video and you like this type of video, make sure you give me the thumbs up. Also, don't be afraid to comment below what are some of your favorite sticker shops. And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to be a part of my amazing squad, Team Bella, then I would like to extend a warm invite for you to do so. Hit the subscribe button below and don't forget about the notification bell so that you remain in the know. So the kit today is called Thankful, and it's from Nicole Alexia Designs. I just love it. It screams fall to me. It's got the wreath, and it's got the kitchen, the sweater weather, the pumpkins, this little area right here with the little fairy lights and these accents of rose gold. Truly beautiful. So these are the 9 full box stickers. And then on this page, you'll notice I've already gone in and I put the dates in. These dates are from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. And so here's the date covers and the bottom washi and some weekly habit trackers. And then an ombre checklist there with the bow, the bows there. Okay, so here is a page of checklist. It's the functional page. You have your today headers. You have just these purple headers. These are pattern washi. You have checklists. You have appointment box and decor boxes and flags. And then you have this other page of functionals that's highlighted with the foils there. So scallops and everything. So I'm excited to use this kit. So I'm going to do what I typically do. I'm going to put down the base of the kit. And then I'll come back and we will plan out my week from this past week, the 20th through the 26th all together. Okay, so enjoy the music.
Why is it gotta be so complicated? Maybe this love thing's overrated. My feet in the sand, my face in my hands. I know it's my fault cause I never make plans. And now you're telling me you love me, but you don't even know me. I'm trying to hang, but if you're falling, do it slowly. Cause I've been thinking lately, if I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you in a different light. If I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you in a different light, girl. Maybe we're too intoxicated, trying to have sober conversation. I'm saying I'm fine, we both know I'm lying. With you in that dress, girl, there ain't no denying, yeah. But that's the point I'm trying to get to with every single issue and everything that you do, baby. I wanna make sure that girl, I take my time, try to get it right. I could see you in a different light. If I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you in a different light.
All right, so check out those solid gold, rose gold headers. I think they're by Rose Colored Days. Don't quote me on that. I am showing you here my rose gold planner sticker storage. That pink one came from Planning City, and I was showing you my cheat sheet, my B6 weeks, where I record all of my actions. So this week, instead of putting down my full box stickers, I decided to come in and lay down my actual plans and feed the stickers into the process. I like this much better. So there on Monday, I just indicated that I was out sick and I didn't have work and that my daughter stayed over with me. I put the first full box sticker down, and of course I put the solid headers on the top and bottom of that. I also indicated that I received some Happy Mail last week, and that script is from Sarah Elizabeth Prince, and the little blue Happy Mail is from Planning City. And then I grabbed that scallop and I wrote that Monday was my first day back home from the hospital. So on Tuesday, I kicked it off with a full box sticker. And then again, I used this cute little rose gold character that came from Planning City, along with the sick day script from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. And I just chopped it off to make it work for the spread. All right, then next I get one of those scallop boxes there to indicate that one of my very good friends was admitted to the hospital, along with that little emoji from Once More with Love, because it was sad that I came home and she went to the hospital. I also grabbed this cute little girl with blonde hair. I believe my daughter's hair was blonde last week, so I just simply put her down to signify that my daughter decided to go home on Tuesday, but I definitely appreciated her staying with me as I was here alone and not feeling well. And then on the last thing of the day, I indicated that I received an email, and that sticker came from Panda Bird Designs. So for Wednesday, I put the full box sticker on the very bottom, and then I went up to the top, and what you can't see because it's cut off is another sick day, and I put an emoji there that said no work, sick day, with the Sarah Elizabeth Print script sticker. And then next I put that my best friend, she is super sweet, guys. I couldn't drive last week, and not only did she come and bring me lunch, she also took me to Joann's to planner stuff to cheer me up. And there you see the little emoji with the shopping bags. And then she also bought me lunch. And then I indicated my 7:30 midweek meeting via Zoom. And that Zoom meeting sticker came from LC Sticker Shop. And there you see me going to the left, filling out the sidebar with all the places I ate last week. So it was definitely no cooking going on in this household. And that is the first half of the week. All right, jumping right into Thursday, we are going to start with laying our full box sticker with that buffalo plaid trim. And then I put two more headers in the rose gold on there. Apologize, getting an email. And then I put my work sticker from 8 to 3. That came from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. I wanted to remember that I didn't work a whole day. It was my first day back after being sick. And I tell you, I felt horrible. So I didn't get to finish the entire day. If you see that sick day emoji on Wednesday, that was the one I told you guys about that you couldn't see earlier. And then the girls celebrating when we went to Joann's. I did meal plan, so that was rose gold fork, knife, and spoon came from Planning City. And then that Netflix also came from Planning City. The rose gold payday script is from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. And then I found this cute little girl from Planning City to indicate that I ordered groceries. And I ended the night with an Amazon order. And I actually remember what I ordered. I ordered AAA batteries. And the ones I bought lasted over a year, almost 2 years. So that was amazing. All right, so on Friday, I start Friday off with a full box sticker. And I used another script sticker from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. And it was a sick day, along with an emotions, full gamut of the emotions sticker that came from Planning City in rose gold. It's like a heart, question mark, a cloud, a low battery. So that's how I felt, just suffering with trying to come to terms with I'm not bouncing back from illnesses as quick as anticipated. The next thing I'm going to put down is an emoji that says I need it to indicate the Telfar release that happened on Friday. And then a buffalo plaid box there, and I put Happy Mail that I got from the Happy Planner. And then I indicated that I had grocery delivery, and pretty soon I'll put a little shopping cart there. I had an appointment, so I indicated that. And then finally, on the very bottom, I'm going to indicate that my husband came home from work, and I'm using the rose gold house just to use my houses in another way, just besides like paying the mortgage is what I typically used it for. That sticker down there on the bottom, that full box sticker, will say eventually order dinner from DoorDash, my husband did. And then up top we have Dwayne's facial. My husband had his facial for the first time. He thoroughly enjoyed it and plans on doing it once a month. And then on the scallop sticker that you see there, I have a rose gold planning time sticker from Planning City, and a scallop edit YouTube videos will be the last sticker that I place down for Saturday. On Sunday, very quiet on Sunday. First thing is a 10 a.m. Zoom meeting from LC Sticker Shop, a budget sticker from Planning City, and then finally a work rose gold sticker and a clean desk. And that will complete my week. That script work in rose gold came from Planning City. I'm sorry, that one came from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. So that completes my week. Not too busy.
That is the completed spread, guys. And let me give it a little viv wiggle so you can see all the foil. And then let me do my north, south, east, and west so you can see all that foil on there. And I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. I had a fantastic time recording it. I think it's so cute, and it's a great way to memory plan with all stickers. Okay, guys, I hope you have an amazing week, and I'll see you in the next video. But before I go, 3 things: like, comment, subscribe. Ciao, Bella.